Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and kicking off a new week here with your Monday forecast update. We're running cool again this morning. Our temperature is in the 20s and 30s, so most of you will be near freezing at sunrise here. Means, especially in the northern Arklatex, may have to go out early and just give the windshield a quick little scrape today, but we'll thaw out quickly. And kind of a typical near average day for us. Our usual high this time of the year is about 58 degrees in Shreveport, and that's about where we'll wind up this afternoon. We are going to see those kind of mid and high level clouds roll through. So if you're out and about yesterday, we had those bright skies. Same thing today with those bright white clouds out there. So just make sure you have the sunglasses for any outdoor plans today. But it's chilly boarding there. We're down into the 20s north of I-30, and high pressure just kind of trapping the cool air down at the surface today. We'll see a few clouds, and there is some rain there in South Texas that may approach us this afternoon. But for today, I've left the forecast dry. There's really not much wind to steer the rain in here. We're actually going to be calm for the most part today. May feel the wind out of the south at about 5 miles per hour, and that's just about it today. So with a little sun out there, we'll see those temperatures into the mid to upper 50s. So a pretty typical day for us. Will be a little more cloudy south of I-20, so you may have noticed the temperatures running a little cooler there. And then later tonight, expect we'll see a brief freeze, at least in the northern Arklatex, as your temperatures will be in the 30s tonight. And then tomorrow, we're back into the 60s here briefly. We'll see just a little warming trend. Another cold front coming in Tuesday night, so we'll draw in some of the warmer air out ahead of that front, but unfortunately not enough moisture, so it looks like we'll kind of avoid seeing any rainfall here for the most part as we continue through the week. So here's a look at your Robins Today to Futurecast. It does see that rain passing south of us, so it does show a few showers, maybe close to the Toledo Bend region, but likely will be dry today. That may change tomorrow. You can see tomorrow we have partly cloudy conditions through the afternoon, and there is some rain here. I did include at least a slight chance of rain, mainly Wednesday or Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, but I think most of that rain will be out of here by the time you wake up on Wednesday. Wednesday will wind up upper 50s, low 60s, but we'll definitely feel that colder air spill in through the back half of the week behind that front. And that's it for the rain, maybe as high as 1/10 of an inch, and that's pretty much it for this week here, which means those drought conditions likely to continue for us. And there's a look at the 7-day numbers, kind of a more typical January week for us. That cold front that comes through Wednesday, again, does cool us into the 50s Thursday and Friday, and there's actually another front on Saturday. That one packing some cold air and limited moisture with that one as well. So it looks like the temperatures may fall back into the low 50s there on Saturday. Overnight lows throughout the week will be in the 30s. May see a few freezing nights, especially Wednesday night, and again maybe Thursday night into Friday morning, and look for maybe another freeze over the weekend.